first birthday.
I'm so young. Alright guys, what's up? We're in Hawaii, in Kauai Island, and we're celebrating my birthday, so we're a pretty cool trip, and we're gonna stay here 4 nights, 5 days, and we will take you to our adventure. So we're planning a lot of hikes, a lot of beach visits, and we're just gonna guide you a little bit through Kauai. Alright, let's go.
Turn left, then turn right onto Leho Drive.
So first we're gonna do the North Shore tour. We're using a
Turn
Shaka
right
guide.
onto Leho Drive, then turn
It's
right onto
very
Kuhio
cool app.
Highway,
Check this out on the App
556.
Store.
Turn right onto Kuhio Highway.
Kauai, here we go. We're gonna stop by a fruit stand and we're gonna get some tropical fruit and we're gonna head on our way.
Because this is the most important thing for my wife. When we go to Hawaii, tropical fruits it's everything.
It's a must.
Yeah, every day.
Happy
All right.
wife.
All right,
Happy
let's
life.
check it out. These tropical fruits. All right, anything like?
Is it ripe?
Yeah.
Can you choose for me the right one? Do you mind if I touch it?
Yeah.
Thank you. They have the white one also.
Yeah, the low acid one.
Wow. And you want the mango also, honey? You want some banana? This is good banana. Do you want some papaya? That's all for now. We'll come back tomorrow.
All right, I think fruit stand successfully completed. So
White pineapple. White
Oh
pineapple.
my god! See how she excited?
Tropical mango. Coconut. Dragon fruit. Ah, so much stuff.
What else?
Awesome. Happy, happy, happy. Happy.
All right, where are we at again?
So we're driving, visiting North Shore, and we found another fruit stand. So we're gonna go buy some fruit. This fruit here has a brown center, a buttery, very unique flavor.
Do you like it?
Almost like caramel and yet very velvet, smooth flavor. I love it. This would be one of the best smoothie that you can ever try. This is something you must try as a smoothie after eating the fruit. So definitely really good. Oh, thank you, Papa.
Alright guys, after this we're gonna go to check out the beach, White Sand Beach. So we're following this Shaka Guide tour, and so we just started. Super excited about the North Shore tour. Alright, let's go.
I was thinking of the same thing.
Alright, more fruits, more pineapple.
More pineapple.
This fruit smells
Really good though.
really good though.
It does not smell bad. It smells
No, it
good.
doesn't smell good. Alright, we're gonna check out now the White Sand Beach. Waiting for my wife, she's cutting more fruits. Today is the fruit day. Oh, you guys like the yellow Jeep actually? So this is the newer version. I think it's 2020 or 2019 version. It's definitely the newer one. It's actually pretty cool. I really like those cars. Really rugged, can go off-road, pretty cool. I think in yellow looks pretty cool. Reminds me of some reason on Hummer. Very nice area to live. Very calm, so much green. Check it out. you like it? Do you like it here?
I love it here.
Would you like to live here?
I think so. Well, not for long, not for like years, maybe 1 month.
It doesn't mean leave, it's just vacation 1 month.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're heading out to the white beach. What was the name again? Molokai?
Beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Take a look.
But look at this, this is super cool, like nobody is here, looks like, yeah, very similar to Thailand. You meditate?
Huh?
Do your meditation pose? Back home. I think we stopped today at 3 fruit stands. So check out on the back how many fruits do we have.
Because you say that you like white pineapple.
Yeah, I do like.
People are asking for white pineapple. So it's a very unique white pineapple. If you guys haven't tried it, try it. It's super sweet, very soft, very nice. It's just a better quality of the regular pineapple you try at home. Even you know, so we have known Hawaiian pineapple, the yellow one is really good, but the white pineapple is another level. So
okay guys, today is probably gonna be end of the day. Later we're gonna go for a dinner and then we're gonna catch up tomorrow then. Ooh. Guys, we're on the mission for the secret beach.
yes,
Do you know what does it mean, secret beach? So this
whenever they say secret, this means nudity.
But we know one similar beach in Maui last time we visited. But my wife didn't let me be completely secret. It's a very steep elevation, so this means when we go back that's gonna be really
Very hard.
challenging. But I'm looking forward to it. Check this out. I'm not sure if you can see this on the camera. And for sure we have our fruits with us. Which fruits do we have?
Mango,
Yeah, what else?
papaya.
Okay, mango, papaya. We bought papaya yesterday?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Okay, mango, papaya, what else?
Lychee,
Lychee, okay.
rambutan,
Rambutan, I don't know what's that.
dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Almost there. It was actually a pretty short hike. I mean, going up,
That's another.
it's okay going up.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me.
You like it?
Love it.
Alright, beautiful beach, strong waves. Now we have to go up.
The one that was like Stairmaster.
Look at this. Woohoo! Alright guys, Shaka Gate was red. It's very hard to go up. Look at that. Whew. So the hill is done?
Too tired. Oh wow. Stairmaster to the extreme test. No kidding. But worth it. We have so much fun. Definitely visit.
Yeah guys,
Secret Beach.
definitely recommend the Sacred Beach, it's very nice. Alright, we are back to our yellow car. I look so cool, I like this Jeep. Very cool. So far Kauai is very awesome. Like not so many people, super relaxed. Sceneries here in Kauai.
So
Looks
beautiful.
Like, is it? Looks like very similar to Vietnam. This tropical rain. I'm saying that's why everything is growing here so well.
Yes, it was sunny like 30 seconds ago, and then it's rain pouring down. So cool. Water is so fresh, still pretty warm. Yeah, some guys just walking outside in the rain. It's so incredible. Look at the rich volcanic soil.
I'm gonna do some drone shots on the beach. My favorite.
With rooftop Jeep. Only one way to get out. That's another way. Not here, honey.
Maybe over there? I think.
night.